How is mobile ID technology making border crossing safer and more efficient? At land border checkpoints, the substantial volume of travelers has posed an ongoing challenge for border control agencies. Finding the right balance between security and convenience while efficiently managing legal travelers, criminals, illegal migrants, and so on. In response to this complex challenge, the use of mobile ID and biometric technologies has offered promising solutions. Let's see how to use the Aratek biometric mobile ID device to verify travelers' e-passports at the border, confirming who they claim to be for secure crossings. First, scan the machine-readable zone with the barcode reader to get basic information. Next, use the NFC reader to capture personal data saved on the chip. Now, scan travelers' fingerprints to confirm their identities. Seeing the Aratek biometric mobile ID device in action makes it clear how this technology improves security and efficiency at the border by being so fast, accurate, and easy to use. Would you like to know more about how our mobile biometric solutions can boost border security? Visit Aratek website for more information.